Yeah, why don't I do more opera? Here's some Puccini. I'll play about 15 seconds of his music for you here, and then I'll give you everything you need to do it yourself. Here's what it sounds like. This is where I'll stop. We're going to begin with the left hand, and this piece is in 6/8 time, and the left hand is just a series of 16th notes, basically for the whole piece, save for like 1 or 2 bars near the end where it changes. It's just a non-stop series of 16ths, which makes the rhythm very straightforward to learn. It also makes the rhythm for the right hand straightforward to learn because you can use the scaffolding of the left hand to inform how to play your right. Okay, let's begin with the first bar. We are in G major, 4-2-1. This is our opening position. 1 pedal for the first bar. 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then again, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Once you have that down, just make sure they're all evenly spaced. I'll count it and play it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's your first bar, nice and straightforward. Moving on, our position moves to first inversion G major, 5, 3, and 1. We have 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, moving on. The third is replaced by a pinky on the same note. 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's all G major, just different inversions of the same thing. So with counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put it all together. Nice and easy. Moving on. One thing I should say actually before we have the right hand introduced is when you're doing this jump, that's not necessarily easy to do, especially since this section has to be dolce, sweet, and quiet. When you leave the last note here, don't tense up, just sort of gently graze it and gently float to the next one. So I know a lot of people are going to think that they have to kind of get there on time, so sort of intuitively they're going to tense up and move quickly, and if you do that, you'll get this. Just you'll nail that note way too hard. So when you finish it, don't rush too much. You can afford a little bit of time. Just make sure that the transitions from one spot to the other are calm and collected. The right hand. Let's have a look at the notes first and we'll see how they interact. We have 3 G's, then a pinky on B. Hold for a bit. 2, 1, resolves to 2. If I was to count this, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with both hands, have a look at how the hands interact, which notes are played at the same time, that is to say, which notes align and which ones don't. We have you see? So a lot of alternating stuff. We have together, left, together, left, together, left, together. together, left, 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 together, left, moving on to the next bar, together, and resolve. Not bad. Let's move on a little further. Before I have a look at the next section, the pedaling, I think you can do, depends on your instrument, but for this, and for my instrument, what I have here, what I'm doing is one pedal for the first full bar, because it's all G major. And yes, the next is G major as well, but we have some right hand notes that are not chord tones, and we want to clean it up. Change here. And then if you think it's necessary, change here as well. I don't, because these two notes don't get too fuzzy for me. But yeah, moving on to the next section. Really nice music. I wish I could sing so that I could, sing this piece. It so screams to be sung. Left hand first. 5, 2, and 1. Alternate. 2, 1, 2. Now that's sort of what intuitively you might want to do. I'm going to give you an alternate fingering that'll help to move you into the next position. If you think it's too difficult, skip it, but this is what I would do. 5, 2, 1, 4, 1, 4. The reason I do that is it prepares you for this switch to 5, 2, 1, 2, 1. 2. So I leave that up to you. I find that switch much easier. Even though it takes a little bit more time to learn, it's easier. Moving on. This is familiar, except the last note ends on 2. So it's 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, and then we are now in open G. 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And all of that are 16ths. Right hand. 3 and 1. Let go of the thumb. Connect. 4 to 5. Thumb replaces the third on G. Hold for a bit. 5 and 3, try to voice the top. And then 3 and 1. With counting, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Voice the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that's the next phrase. With both hands, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of that was under one pedal. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that 3, you saw where that came in with respect to the left hand, and we're going to continue to. So nice. I love this section. Okay, and the rest of it, we're going to continue on our website. So if you'd like the sheet music for this, and you'd like to finish off this with a full tutorial, it'll have to be on our website. It's free, so don't worry, you can check it out for free. Join us, join me, and if you have any questions about this, I'll be more than happy to help you personally. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. If you feel I've earned your subscription, hit that button. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next ones.